Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I would like to give you all an update to my DIY PC server case for my school project. First of all, I need to apologize for the shaky video. I'm recording with my smartphone. Anyways, the final form this case is finished. There are some minor cosmetic pieces that still need to be addressed and as well to be printed. Right now, I'm in the process of putting it all together, and I know it has taken me so long to build my case and to record it at the same time. Anyhow, let me say that this project is around 90% finished. The rest 10% is dealing with the software side. Some people have similar hardware setups where they run Kubernetes or similar cluster OS as their home lab or some kind of home automation. The TP-Link switch is now screwed down, where the first port on the switch is for my Ethernet cable to come in. On the second port, I'll connect my headless PC as my main master of the Pi cluster. The rest of the ports will be divided to the Raspberry Pis that I currently have. At the moment, I have only 3 of them that are ready to be put in. On the first Raspberry Pi 3B Plus, I'm running a program where I'm mining some low-level cryptocurrencies for testing. I'll make a video about it next time. I'm also happy to announce that I finally bought myself a SFX power supply for powering up the PC. It's fully modular, be quiet, 500 watts SFX PSU. I'm sad to say that I won't be using my old computer that I was originally intended to house in here. Instead, I'll be putting in an ITX motherboard with a Ryzen processor. As you can see, I already inserted the standoffs and prepared the power supply cables to be connected. I won't be using any graphics card, so all my controlling and maintenance will be from now on over command line. At this point, I'm only hoping that the PSU cradle will hold up the power supply so it won't fall down and break anything. The space where the PC will be placed doesn't come with a lot of headroom, so I need to be very careful how I do my cable management. At the moment, I'll put only one case fan on the back plate for supplying fresh air to the PC. I already assembled it, so I only need to plug it in. Disclaimer: some printed parts are not my own. I found them on the Thingevers web page where I customed them to fit my need. If you want them, I'll put the links down in the description where you can find all of them. The inspiration for the case and also for the Pi rack mount I'll also add in the description to the original creators. The only thing I did was to remix their prints so that they will fit my build. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but I also installed some case filters in between the printed parts. I bought 4 case fan filters that are made by Akasa, so there won't be any unnecessary debris in the case. In the future, when I'll be buying the rest of the remaining Pis that will be housed in the case alongside the ones I already have, I will also need to think about adding a similar or better cooling solution for them. In my last video, where I was putting together this little one, I stress tested it and it was hitting around 48 degrees. Hopefully, the fans will keep them cool enough so that they won't thermal throttle. I don't plan to remove the pies anytime soon, so I printed the parts for the screws to hold them in place. The case will be placed on my work desk, so any cables running out of here need to be short enough so that they won't get pulled or tangled by accident. To make the pie stand out and to see which one is which, I also will be printing some 3D parts out that will then be inserted in the free USB slots. For the future, I'll have the sides exposed if I ever have the need to add or upgrade this case with more pies. I'll then be also upgrading the existing switch, which will house more external ports, and of course I will be then putting it on at the top of the case. Anyways, I now need to put this all together and hopefully all goes as planned. I made the decision to separate the power for the pies as well as the PC. If in any case the PC shuts down, I want the pies to keep going and be online. Maybe in the future I'll add a power bank for the pies and the power supply from the PC will be charged in it. Time will tell. To top it all up, in addition of making a dedicated monitoring website for all of this, I plan to add a small display for the hardware information, so that I can see what is going on. I'll also intend to add a room temperature sensor in addition to some of on-off switches. Worst case scenario, I'll only add a blank plate. This is all for today. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. Next time hopefully I will show my complete build in action. Please like and subscribe to the channel, it will help me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. If any of you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Thank you and stay safe.